Okay, so I'll be showing you how to put this rubber lug on your leads. But first things first, make sure you hit that subscribe, like, and share button, and then we'll get into it. So first things first, you need to get your kettle boiled, get your lugs ready, and pour the hot water in. Fill it to the top so they're all covered, and they will soften the plastic up. Okay. Perfect. Next, you need to get some Vaseline or petroleum gel. Put some on your finger. Put it on the end of your lead. Like that. As you can see, I've got my nose pliers in one of the leads, stretching it out already just to get it ready. So that's it. Stroke it a little bit, stroke your lead a bit. So now get your lug that you've stretched out a little bit. Get your lead, push it in, and it should start slipping in easy. Till it gets to the other end. Oh, this one's a bit of a bizarre one. If you use pliers, this works way quicker. Just push it in and it should come out the other side. So just use pliers straight away. There it is, bang. And there you have it. One lug on a lead. Beautiful. Tight fit. So this is all my ignition leads put into my coil. Bloody beautiful. Bloody beautiful. Just need to put that cover back on. So So make sure when you do your leads, you go by firing order. So this engine, this is the firing order for a 253 308 Holden. In the meantime, behind the scenes, I got my Thermos installed and most of my wiring done. So that's on. Off. So I need to start running all my vacuum lines. So I need to hook all my fittings to the wastegates and then run all my lines so I can get one step closer to finishing this car off. So I'm installing the radiator hoses, as you can see, top and bottom. If you want to know what numbers they are, I'll show you in a tick after I'm done. So much closer to getting finished. So that's the top one done, bottom one. That's the number for the bottom one, CH944C, if you ever need it. Top one, CH818C. Like always, it's the end of the show. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and like, and maybe future episode.